back to Epic Adventures. We are in Gujarat today and going to see the Statue of Unity. The riders are ready, you can see, and we are gearing up to get started. So we will first go see the Statue of Unity. It's a no-fly zone, so no for the drone. It's going to be a medium ride today, about 350 odd kilometers or 250 odd kilometers. Hey, hunter, hey, superstar. Alright, we are on the road to Statue of Unity. Let's go, guys. Day 4 starts here. We did have a good briefing. Our practice is to start the day with a quick briefing, say Om 3 times, a bit jumping jacks, warm up and then get started. It's a 30 minutes ride to Statue of Unity. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Can you guys see the train over there? It's a beautiful view on the left. Amazing. Wow. Wow, Gujarat, Ekta Dwar. This is beautiful. It's pretty chilled morning and we still have some sun, which is making it feel good. Look at the way they have done the infrastructure. Beautiful. There's an India map, fountain across. Nice. Feels like we are not in India. We are abroad somewhere in the US. It is so clean, so neat. Police doing their checks, routine checks. Our Captain Money is now briefing them. Thank you. Thanks to them. Unity, Statue of Unity. Hey, feels really good, man. Feels like I'm on a holiday now. Beautiful sunrise. Alright, just letting the riders go. This is our conway. Nice conway. Lovely experience. Look at this bridge. Wow. Look at the Statue of Unity on the left. We're just going to pause here to see the view. This is really nice. Alright, we took some photos and videos. Now we are heading ahead. Let's go, guys. Amazing, unique spot if you're planning for vacation. It's a good one. There's quite a lot of good accommodations. Wow, I can already see the Statue of Liberty. We are close, another 4 or 5 kilometers odd. Wow. Let me show you guys. Alright, let me bend a bit. Wow, nice. I hope you guys are getting the view. Beautiful. Hello, welcome back. We are at the Cactus Garden. Wow. Look at this one. We've seen enough cactus, so we are gonna head from here. So let's keep moving, guys. We are now entering the Statue of Unity. We need to take a bus from here. We can travel a bit and then we're gonna see some fantastic views across wood, so stay tuned. I'll show you what I can. Let's go.
Yo, அதான் அத்தனை சீட் இருக்குல்ல உட்காரியா
நான் கம்பியே பிடிக்காம தான் வருவேன். நானே ஆடுறேன். டிக்கெட். சூப்பர் மச்சான். சூப்பர் மச்சான்.
We'll get into it or what? We'll go.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ತುಂಬ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಮೋದಿಯವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಗುಜರಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ದಂಗೆ ಮೋದಿಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ. ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 1 2 3 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಐರನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಲಿಫ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಭೈ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇದೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹೆಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ.
Hello, welcome back. Finally, we are back to the accommodation. Got everything packed up, now loaded and ready to start. We got started 1 in the afternoon. We have about 260 kilometers to cover. So, wish us good luck, go for a good road and a good ride. Gujarati thali in Vadodara.
ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್.
ಹಾಂ,
ಇದು ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ನೀಟಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಹರಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಅದು ಮುಲ್ಲಂಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪಲ್ಯ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇದು ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಇದು ಖಾರ, ಇದು ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಕ್ಲಾ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಕ್ಲಾ ಇದು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್.
ಕಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ಇದು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ದಾದಾ ಭಯ್ಯ. ಸ್ವೀಟು ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏನದು?
ಭಯ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬಜ್ಜಿ, ಸಾಬುದಾನ ವಡ, ಸಾಬುದಾನ ವಡ,
ಸಾಬುದಾನ ವಡ, ಬೋಂಡಾ,
ವಡ ವಡ.
ವಡ
ನೈಸ್.
ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಕರಿ ವಡ. ಹಾಂ, ಪನ್ನೀರ್.
ಸಾಸು ಮಾಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್. ಬನ್ನಿ ಶುರು ಹಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಪಾಪಡ್ ಪಾಪಡ್,
ಫುಲ್ಕಾ,
ಫುಲ್ಕಾ,
ರೋಟಿ ಫುಲ್ಕಾ. ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್.
ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು
ಹಾಂ, ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್. ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ನೈಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಂಚ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಪ್ಪಳ, ತೇಪಳ, ಪಾಪಡ್.
Hey, welcome back. We had a beautiful, nice, tasty lunch. We are at Vadodara and we had an amazing Gujarati thali. Oh my goodness, so many items in one plate. Wow, wow. It was so damn good, lovely. So the whole restaurant team has come here asking for a photo. So we as a team met them. They're giving us a send-off and then we are now heading towards our accommodation for the day. So it has been so beautiful, nice lunch, memorable one, the best out of all so far. Here we go. All right, perfect. Let's keep moving. We have another 160 to cover. Look forward to get that covered in a couple of hours. It's 3:33 now. That means we should be at the accommodation by 5:33 as long as the road is quite good. So let's keep moving. Vadodara, bye bye. Thank you for the lunch and lovely memory. We'll keep moving.
Welcome back. We are in Ahmedabad city. Let's take a look at the city, guys. Beautiful.
Okay, welcome back. We thought we are going to reach there by 5:36, but you know what? It's already 8 in the night and we're still riding. Even though majority part of the roads are good, it still took us time. We're almost there. Another 3 kilometers will be at the accommodation in Mehsana. We crossed the Ahmedabad, as you guys saw. What a beautiful city. It feels like someone has decorated it with hand. Lovely parks, waterfront. Oh my god, there's so much of lighting. I've not seen that in Bangalore. I was a little jealous for a while. Why Bangalore is not like this? There's huge crowd, very well maintained. Thank you, Modi. I love your city, the way you have done it, the way you have given support, the development. Oh God, it was really, really good. I can already see our accommodation, Hotel Luxura. Here we come. Finally, after a long tiring day. Wow, it looks good from the out. Alright guys. Alright, that's pretty much today. Day 4 ending here. Thank you so much for all your support and for the subscriptions. Love you all. Take care. See you tomorrow with a fresh new vlog. Take care. Good night. Shabakar. Good night.